A retaining wall is a landscaping structure typically made of rocks, concrete blocks, or other materials to help retain the soil behind it. Although garden retaining walls are built for practical reasons, they can add to the aesthetics of your property when perfectly integrated with your existing landscape design. They are a great way to enhance the value of your property and can be constructed from high-quality materials at a reasonable price. Adding a garden retaining wall and customizing it to suit your needs can improve the overall aesthetics and property value. It is an easy and effective way for adding versatility to the space around your house. If you plan to sell your place in the future, this landscaping feature is a perfect way to gain an edge over other properties. When it comes to landscaping structure, garden retaining walls are an excellent investment. They are made of durable materials and can stand up to harsh weather conditions. You won't have to spend money or time repairing or replacing your wall. In addition to this, they require very little maintenance. When constructed properly, a retaining wall can withstand heavy weights and is functional. It can be installed quickly and help hold back water or earth for a long period without much maintenance. They can also help you create space-saving and attractive vertical gardens. Retaining walls are an environmentally friendly option because they cause minimal disruption to the natural vegetation and help reduce stormwater runoff. They are typically made of sustainable materials that are affordable, long-lasting, and seamlessly blend with the natural surroundings of your place. Tiered garden retaining walls are an excellent way to add more space to your property. You can use them as a base for small planters to add more color to your landscape. Extensive erosion can wash away fertilizers, cause sinkholes, and ruin your landscape, leading to expensive damage. A retaining wall can reduce the chances of erosion and help keep your plants in place. A retaining wall is a structure built to withstand literal, i.e., horizontal pressure of soil or retain materials which are behind it. They are built to hold back filled soil materials. Generally, they are erected to prevent the soil sloping downwards with erosion. They are raised when two adjacent soils are at different levels, i.e., on slopes, hilly areas, etc. They are considerably used on roads. Nowadays, they are extensively used in garden or landscaping while dealing with different levels which are either natural or man-made. Their main function is to sustain pressure and provide stability to the fill materials. The retaining wall not only protects your landscaping and beautifies the surrounding, but it also contributes in increasing the value of your property. However, it is an engineering structure, hence, it requires technical knowledge for proper design, its execution. Thanks for watching, until next time.